Sandali. Ito ang sana gusto kong gawin.
Wala tayong ano? Ano, pagkain ba? Gutom na yung kasama. Sabak.
Uy, bakla ka ng sahod. Uy,
Ay, sorry.
Thank you. I wish I could go up there. But what I want... Oh, sige, dito. Wait, sandali. Sandali. Ito ang sana gusto kong gawin. This is what I want to do. I want to go down here, but closer to you guys. Okay, so, to the people who are down here, can you just promise me that I can come back on stage in one piece? And please, because I also want to give a chance for people over there. Ang gagawin ko, if you will allow me, okay? Can you just for once, total, my son already said that everybody from Grab and its partners are so nice. So can we be nice tonight and allow me to get close to you? Stay where you are. Let me be the one to get close to you. Is that okay?
Sir,
Tapos,
kadena mo yan.
I'd love to sing these songs, but I'm sure that somehow time will arrive at some point in time. Songs like these.
Yan.
I'm going to try. Teka, nakakatakot na itong gagawin ko eh. I have to check first and see if my sugar level will allow me to do this. And it says I'm okay. Easy lang kayo. Ako pa lang kasi puso.
Ako lang din to! Galipin!
Thank you.